about the books? You can get a lot from books. The Survival Medicine Handbook. It's one heck of a good book. This is the newer edition. It covers everything. The Prepper's Medical Handbook. Good information. Purchase these books if possible to do so. Learn the information that's in there. Also, your basic first aid training and hopefully your advanced medical training, because you never know when you need it. Needless to say, half the things that are going on in the world today, it's probably going to come in very handy and save human lives. Outdoor Medical Emergency Handbook. First aid for travelers, backpackers, and adventurers. It's a good one. But it's a good book. A little bit older book, not by too much. It's the information in there. Go to the next one. Medicine for the Outdoors. Wilderness Medicine. Now, you're out there in the woods, you're going to be out there in the wilderness for a while. Well, what you have to do, if you run out of medicine, you don't have the right medicine, this is what you have to do. Field Guide to Medicinal Wild Plants. Very, very good. They do have updated editions to these, I believe. All of these are out of my personal library. Alaska's Wilderness Medicines. Let's look at these one more time.